Are you wondering how to download and install Bluetooth drivers for Windows 7, 8, and 10 PC and laptop? Well, in that case, you have landed at the right place. We have the best solutions for you. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Before we move forward, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It's free and helps us a lot. We do tons of research to find the working solutions for you. Your little support will help us continue making solution videos for you and others. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Downloading the Bluetooth driver is easy, as you can get it from the official website of Intel. Open a browser on your computer and type Bluetooth driver for Windows 7 or 8 or 8.1 or 10 in the search bar. You will find the official website of Intel where the driver is available. The link is given in the description. The driver will be available in 64-bit and 32-bit formats, and you can download the one as per your computer's OS configuration. Step 2. Installing the driver is equally easy. Once you download the driver, double-click on it and click on Next and move forward with the installation. Here you will come across 3 options: Typical, Custom and Complete. You need to choose one as per your preference. After that, click on Install and wait for the process to complete. Step 3. After you have installed the driver, go to C Drive and navigate to the Windows folder. Now find the System32 folder, search for fsquirt and create a desktop shortcut for easy access to the driver. So, these are some of the handy and unexpected ways to speed up your computer and optimize its performance. We hope one of these methods worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Join our Facebook group to get direct help on everything tech. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.